What I like about jazz music is that it talks to the brain and to the body. It's intellectual and at the same time it always has a groove. It just feels good in the body. I'm Tobias Stavngård. I'm a jazz trombonist and composer, and I'm the leader of the Tobias Stavngård Sextet. The band consists of William Manderland, Nikolaj Bangsgaard, Carl Emil Dons, Jakob Sørensen, and Aske Drasbæk. Tobias Stavngård Sextet is all about the compositional aspect of jazz music. I'm very inspired by the perception of form and development found in classical music. The result is a contemporary style of jazz. Our albums have specific philosophical themes. When we play live, we really try to put a lot of effort into communicating these themes, telling the stories and taking the listeners on the journey. The goal for the future is to see how far we can push it in terms of combining classical composition with a jazz band.